Experiencing problems with your HP EliteBook 840 G5 docking station? You're not alone. Many users face issues with power delivery, USB-C data transfer, and HDMI output. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and fixing these common problems, drawing from HP support and user-shared solutions up to January 2026. We'll focus on practical steps to get your docking station working smoothly again. The EliteBook 840 G5 relies on USB-C for docking connections. This versatile connector combines power delivery, data transfer, and video output in a single reversible interface. Its pin layout supports multiple signals simultaneously. Power delivery issues often stem from using incompatible cables. Ensure your USB-C cable is certified for PD and can deliver the 65-watt required by the EliteBook. The connector's dedicated communication pins negotiate power levels automatically. HDMI output issues typically involve DisplayPort over USB-C or DP alt mode. This technology routes video signals through the USB-C connector, requiring proper negotiation between devices. The schematic shows how data lanes handle both video and USB signals. Finally, outdated BIOS or drivers often block proper signal negotiation between the laptop and docking station. Keeping firmware current ensures reliable power delivery and video output functionality. Start with basic hardware checks to troubleshoot docking station issues. First, inspect all ports for debris or damage. Next, test the docking station and laptop with known good peripherals and cables. Then run HP's hardware diagnostics tool accessible through the BIOS. Finally, a visual inspection can often reveal simple connection problems. Software is often the culprit behind docking issues. Start by updating Windows drivers through Device Manager. Right-click on devices and select Update Driver to ensure compatibility. Alternatively, use the HP Support Assistant tool. It automatically checks for and installs the latest driver updates, making the process simpler. Critically, ensure your laptop's BIOS is up to date. Outdated BIOS can cause HDMI handshake failures and power delivery problems. Download the latest BIOS updates from HP's support site. Update the docking station's firmware as well. HP released version 1.2.3 in September 2025, specifically addressing power delivery inconsistencies and HDMI handshake failures. Use the firmware update utility provided by HP. Always check HP's support site for the latest driver and firmware versions. Select your specific dock model to download the most relevant updates, ensuring full compatibility and resolving known issues. Implement the fundamental troubleshooting cycle. Power off both your laptop and the docking station completely. Disconnect the docking station from the laptop. Once it's fully booted, reconnect the docking station. This simple process often resolves temporary glitches by resetting the connections. Community resources like Reddit and HP forums offer valuable troubleshooting help. Users report 75% success with shared solutions. Many find alternatives in third-party USB-C hubs from Anker or Dell. These can bypass HP compatibility issues. Always search for model-specific solutions online. When basic troubleshooting fails, consider firmware mismatches between the laptop and docking station. Ensure both devices have compatible firmware versions to avoid connection issues. BIOS bugs can cause problems, particularly with HDMI output. Version 1.2.4 of the BIOS was known to have HDMI handshake failures. Update your BIOS to the latest version to resolve these issues. Physical damage to the USB-C port on your laptop can prevent proper connections. Check for debris, bent pins, or wear and tear that might affect docking functionality. If the port is faulty, replacement can cost around $50. This is often necessary when physical damage is confirmed and software fixes don't resolve the issue. According to HP experts, 90% of docking issues are software-related. Always exhaust software solutions like updates and driver reinstalls before considering hardware replacements. Docking station technology is evolving rapidly. Consider upgrading to newer EliteBook models like the 840 G8 for better USB-C PD support. Be aware that HP is gradually phasing out support for older G5 models. For the long term, explore cloud-based solutions like HP's Workspace Hub and keep an eye on the emergence of next-gen USB-C 4.0 standards, which promise fewer hardware failures.